With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that which of the following oxides are amphoteric? Here option A is CO, option B is SNO2, option C is ZNO, option D is BeO. So in this question 4 oxides are given and we have to tell which oxide is amphoteric in nature. Now basically amphoteric oxides are those which can act both as an acid or a base. So amphoteric oxide are those which can act as an acid as well as a base, right? So if we start with carbon monoxide, now carbon monoxide is a neutral oxide because it does not react with an acid or a base. It does not react with an acid or a base. So it is a neutral oxide. It is a neutral oxide. Now if we look at the other options, we have tin oxide, that is SnO2. Now when tin oxide reacts with 4 moles of HCl, then there is formation of SnCl4 and 2 moles of water. Now here tin oxide is acting as a base because it is reacting with an acid HCl, and it is a neutralization reaction because here salt is formed, tin chloride and water is formed. So here tin oxide behaving as a base. Now tin oxide also reacts with a base, that is NaOH, 2 moles of NaOH to form Na2SnO3, which is a salt known as sodium stannate, and water. So here tin oxide is behaving as an acid because it is reacting with the base NaOH, right? So it shows the amphoteric nature of tin oxide. Amphoteric nature of tin oxide. Now next option is given zinc oxide. If we look at zinc oxide, now zinc oxide reacts with an acid, that is HCl, to form zinc chloride and water. Right, so here zinc oxide is behaving as a base because it is reacting with an acid HCl. Now zinc oxide can also react with a base, that is NaOH, to form a salt, that is Na2ZnO2 and water. So here zinc oxide is behaving as an acid because it is reacting with a base. So this reaction also shows the amphoteric nature of zinc oxide. Amphoteric nature of zinc oxide because it is behaving both as an acid because it is behaving as an acid as well as a base. Then we have last option, beryllium oxide. Now beryllium oxide can react with an acid, that is HCl, to form beryllium chloride, which is a salt, and water. So here beryllium oxide is behaving as a base because it is reacting with acid HCl. Also beryllium oxide can react with a base, that is NaOH, to form Na2BeO2, which is a salt plus water. right? So here beryllium oxide is behaving as an acid because it is reacting with the base, that is NaOH. So these reactions show the amphoteric nature of beryllium oxide, right? So if we look at the options, option A will be wrong because carbon monoxide is a neutral oxide, and we have option B SnO2, option C ZnO, and option D BeO. These options will be correct because all these oxides are amphoteric in nature. So means all these will be the answers. So this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.